Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Gejelau Lahkmen Rymbui hak arpo trek unaitung arhajar arpuar ulong bagi sorkar jela kelepen sengutu iki Nonghikai bagi sorkar jela kelepen dep ya berok gejingdon kam jong ke sorkar pedeng ban pelat ike pisah hakawat ke benengkong. Bat mentah gidang ap ike sorkar pedeng bagan pelat no ike dengan pisah bat ula kentu iki Nonghikai bagian it pai no asal lagi skul kenang bagian yok macam kelas no iki kena. Lem kumta ke sorkar kan hab ban penmi ke hukum ban ai tulop ya gi bam litrei. Ni ban pendu ke jeng ai grant ya ki managing committee ke bagi skul jongki ki kang kerdap. Uba Lahkmen Rymbui ulong balada kim net bencem kelas nhap ban le ke bateng e persya ke managing committee bat amdon syuk di kiwai pat kilat. Wat la kila persyang kat bala bat kim syim la le kiar na ke kamram ke bala bensyat haka ban wengi gijing e. Hendrai udon uput ki ki baro bat don kam ban trilang. Uba Lahkmen Rymbui ulong bagan chong ha ke sorkar pedeng kat no kan pelat ke pisah. Bat ke sorkar ke kuak bakade ban pelat buon bat mardor ke pisah. Hendrai kan chong ha ke jing start jong ke sorkar pedeng kat no kan pelat ke pisah kenang bagi ni ban pelat no ke pisah sigi managing committee ban CEO sigi Nonghikai. Ulong bagi sorkar jela kelekran man kepor bat ke sorkar pedeng ban pak pelat no ke pisah. Bat kumbakalong mentahi syam layo ke no ke jing tip la non pelat ke pisah. Hendrai la syutip pat bagi kam gijam kelihat cekamat ban pelat no ya ke pisah.
We have explained to them that we from the government of Meghalaya, as of now, we have complied with all the requirement of the central government to release the first installment. So as of now, we are awaiting the first installment from the central government so that as soon as we get, we will be able to release the salary of the teachers. I have explained to them time and again, we from the government of Meghalaya, we will not waste so much time as soon as the release of fund from the government of India. I appeal to them also that we cannot do anything until and unless the government of India release the share to the state government, which we will enable to release to respective managing committee to release the teachers. So I appeal to them that to work together. I know the hardship which they face every now and then, that due to the late receipt of fund, that they face so much hardship. We understand that, but there are something which is not in our hand. So we have to understand that we should work together and they should resume their classes. See, the funding of the central government, as you said, is 90%. But 90% of, there is a capping of 15,000 for the salary. There is a capping of 15,000. So the government of India paid 90% of 15,000, and beyond that, the 10% plus, the 4,000 plus or 5,000 plus is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya, which we are doing now. And as you see the notification of the government of India, that this scheme is extended till 2025 or 26, I don't remember exactly. And every year, the funding will be reduced by 5%. So the complication is huge, and but as I said, we will not shy away from responsibility. We will try to do and we will try to streamline how we could do so that to ease the burden of the teachers, to ease the pressure on our teachers. But having said that, it is not a very easy solution. So I request the teachers that they should resume class, and if they do resume class, we have no other option. Either we have to issue order of no work, no pay, or we will withdraw the grant to the managing committee for those schools which are closed in spite of repeated requests by the government of Meghalaya. That's why I tell that if they don't resume class, we have to take a drastic action against the managing committee concerned. We have no other option in spite of trying so much, and we will continue to try. We will not shy away from responsibility to solve the issue at hand, but there is a limitation to anything. So the limitation is that we have to work together.
Kumba ulah pentumar ya kita kinong sensyar haka jutang barem kabami pule bon ba kitma kila duk kila rem namar bakim ju phai so play na khat na wari phi kapang idang yesong hang ne kan mau yo play ngin duai ai bu mesin jong play un her ha kita kilai san sinem jong ka ka pertai kiba sensyar boman na ka benta ka hok ka jongi ka hok long breu man breu ka jongi ngat bau play un ber ka perni ngin yesong bet hang ne ngalarai dah kau yang jingmut, kapa kinong yalam, kidang khot, kidang la berpelong yang kan jing yalang, ngakloi bersong hande. Dah kau yang mensim, lalu piang salai penai ngalalong belakloi. Tengah khot ngawar langi fi, wan nambu jingkermen.
Ngam keno yang kibadan hikai kalong kebadai hok. Babin kai kimat sengi kibadai na kedua konstitusi kebangi penjeng. Ya iba kumida IMLA lene iba kumida minister iba mla ban pembit pembiang yang kijunan kam jong kita ki nation builder ki bagyong ngasnyaw yamrem nyaladi sai sisin ban yosnyaw biang ya kita ki kenten ye ki bala krenda isar Lahkmen Rymbui iba education minister chungi kapan pangnut yangi Kamdam gimana negara ke konstitusi baru napi tanah bin pait shengi namar baine education minister haga Jaka bin sneulam ikran penman negeri ki kentin kibong ki kentin tomet nagar jungi kum gino kai SSC bangin yo ya kecubat kaba kamlong positif naga government pleng Nagina yo ia ke kubon na ini education minister. Kalong penban palat ia ke negatif. Kay kadang ko mapulong ia ke sarkar. Kabahaba mangi kino ikai ngimi bandawa. Kipermi penban negeri kantin ban Byrngem bersih ban pendukam ni. Dang mene dang sibit ngayo ia ke phone call daling habagina i keto kemadi ia keto media kilang ina ba pi bangi ba isar Lahkmen Rymbui na be ya pi na kudu Jaka ya ba pinmi no ngaong ya ki bangi nomi ngin ya ini be hagane ga Jaka hadu bagi jinglawa gijingi kinda urlong ngin yang be hagane ga Jaka tagalong min labat sengiru